First, cut away any major excess liner from the box as shown. Be sure you leave a little extra liner slack at the bottom of the box in front so that when you complete the rock work, you won't create a pulling of the liner away from the box. Using the silicone provided, add a 1/4 inch thick bead along the face of the box. Next, bring the liner up to the face of the box and clip on either side using the clips provided. Now bring the weir up to the face of the box and push into position. There is a return edge on the weir that will allow you to hold the weir into position on the box. Using a cordless drill, sink the self-drilling screws into the holes provided, beginning at the top left and then top right of the weir. The third screw should be drilled into the middle location along the bottom of the weir. Work your way to each side, drilling a screw into each hole provided. Once all screws are installed, cut away the liner from the waterfall spillway and discard. We suggest using the remaining silicone to fill in the space between the weir and the box. Use your finger to smooth out any excess silicone. Finish off the area by backfilling up to within 1/2 inch of the top of the box.